Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Sonia Chopra and I want to welcome you into my home. My practice is the new home of my new program called eSchool Live. eSchool Live is a unique, hands-on endodontic experience made just for you. This 3-day event is not just about working on extracted teeth. This is about you getting live experience with a live patient. It's not about me doing a root canal, it's about you doing the root canal. So you'll actually be able to do multiple root canals on live patients. Many of you may be thinking that this is just for North Carolina residents, but it's not. It's for any licensed dentist, including international. So make sure you join me because you are going to get so much experience. You're going to get to play with all types of rotary files. You'll be able to use my microscope and see if it's something that you want to implement in your practice. You'll work with ultrasonics. You'll work with different heated elements for your warm vertical obturation. And best of all, you'll be able to get more experience reading and understanding your cone beam. We want to make sure that you bring your dental assistants so that they can learn from my dental assistants who will be there the whole weekend teaching them things like the slob roll and how to get a really good x-ray underneath that rubber dam. Best of all, this is a give back program, so we're giving back to the community as we're learning along the way. These patients would normally take their tooth out, and instead, we get to give them a root canal and a build-up to save their tooth. You'll get 24 CE credits for the whole weekend, so we're really getting a lot. It's quite the experience. And I'm only taking 5 people in this group at a time, 5 dentists, that's it, so that you get that one-on-one attention that you've been really looking for. So don't hesitate, make sure you grab your spot, click the link, and I'll see you there.